So what I'm doing here is measuring how much angle is from factory. That way when I'm done with it, I know how much angle I gained. Now let's go ahead and remove everything so we can take these knuckles to get modified, install them back on the car, and see how much angle we can gain. First thing, let's take the calipers off. Two 19mm bolts on the back. Now let's disconnect the tie rod, 17mm. Let's take the spindle from the coilover, 17mm. We're gonna take out the spindle from the lower control arm, and it's at 22mm. Now we're gonna remove the lower control arm. For the tension control rod, you have two 17mm nuts on the bottom, and for the sway bar link, you have a 12mm, and then at the end of the control arm, you have another 17mm. Guys, big shout out to Heat Lightning Speed Shop. I got my knuckles back from them and they look great. About to put them on. Hopefully I can gain some angle. We'll see. So you can tell where he cut and extend the lower control arm. I already measured it and I think he extended about 1.5 inches, and the welds are pretty good. So the same thing for the knuckle. He cut what the tie rod goes in, and I think he cut it about the same length. Maybe I'm wrong, but it does look like he cut probably about 1.5 inches, and he tried to keep the same angle. I looked at it before I put the other side on, and they are pretty much identical. He even painted them for me and everything. So big shout out to Johnny, because he do great work. Something really cool, this is the S13 factory outer tie rods. You can see they're kind of skinny, and this is the I-30 Infinity I-30 from 2001. It's a lot thicker, more beefier. The same for the inner tie rod, very skinny. Also the I-30 is a lot longer and it does look a lot beefier, so that's what I'm gonna be using. Alright, so I found a couple things broken. The tension rods, they were terrible. Look at this stuff. Every problem has a solution. So luckily for me, I bought this GK Tech adjustable tension rods. Now let's put everything back in reverse order, and let's get some measurements and let's see the difference. Hey guys, so check this out. I put everything back in the car. Check for some rubbing. Went lock to lock, no rubbing, everything was good. I was about to take the car to an alignment the next day, and yeah, big bottle of power steering fluid on the floor next day when I went to take the car out of the garage to wash it. So the steering rack blew up. So I'm gonna apologize because this is not how I wanted to finish the video, but sometimes stuff happen and this is one of those times. So I got a couple options. First of all, I'm gonna have to take the rack out either way. So option one will be me rebuilding it myself. Option two was to buy one. I found one with I think Drift HQ. Sell it for like $350. They have a couple of good reviews, but they're out of stock. They're sold out. So I don't know if I'm gonna go that route. And the third option is for me to take it out. Hopefully it's still an OE rack, and I can send it out to a guy in Texas that rebuild them, and he do really good work. Yeah, I'm very disappointed, really disappointed. I hate when this happens, but it happens all the time when you have race cars. So it is what it is. I just gotta keep pushing, keep moving forward. So I'll see you in the next video.